Welcome to the AI Generation channel.
In this video, I will show how to convert any photo into an AI talking avatar with the help of artificial intelligence-free tools. You can bring your images to life and make them talk. Additionally, you will know how to delete background absolutely free as well. This step-by-step tutorial will guide you through the entire process, from selecting a photo to animating it into a 3D avatar that speaks in your own voice.
Whether you're a content creator, marketer, or just looking for a fun project, this technique is sure to impress. If you want to add a talking avatar in your video, presentation, or somewhere else, and don't know how to do it, you are in the right place. It takes only 2 steps. Deleting a background and creating a talking avatar. All links you will find in the description below. So, grab your favorite photo and let's get started on creating your very own AI talking avatar.
Step 1. Removing a background. Go to remove.bg to remove the background from your photo. Click on the Upload Image button to upload your picture. Background starts removing automatically. If you want, you can add new background to the photo. Just click on the Edit button and choose a color or a photo as a new background. If you like the result, just click on the Download button to save new photo. Step 2. Creating a talking avatar. Go to Hagen.com, click on the Upload button to upload your photo you want to make talking. Right in this moment, website will ask you to log in. You can do it with your Gmail account, Facebook account, or email. After login, the start page opens one more time. It is a little strange, but that's it. So, click on the Upload button one more time. Then select your photo by clicking on it. In the Opens window, hover over the Create Video button and select desired format, landscape or portrait. Now let's make our picture talk. To give your avatar a voice, you have 2 ways. First, you can typing a script in this field. Second one is upload audio file. Also, you can record your voice. I will input text script to show you more options. Now we have to choose voice. Click here and Voice tab opens. Here you set a voice gender, language, and style. Then choose a voice you like.
Hello, this is how I sound. Hope you like.
Hello, this is how I
After that, close this window. Here we can see additional voice options, speed and pitch settings. Once everything is set, click on the Submit button to generating process begins. Now our video is ready. You can save video with subtitles. If you like the result, download it by clicking on the Download Original Video button.
Now you know how to turn any photo into AI talking avatar in 2 minutes. Thank you for watching this video. Like, subscribe and share this video to support my work. See you in the next AI tutorial.